We start tonight tracking a powerful storm system moving through Northern California right now. But the system, called a bomb cyclone, first ripped through the Pacific Northwest last night into this morning. And we're getting our first look now at the destruction you see here. At least 2 people have been killed by fallen trees in Washington. At one point, 500,000 customers were without power.
The same system is now moving through Northern California, bringing rain and snow. Video from the Bay Area shows the high winds, and listen to this, even a 20-foot sinkhole along the seawall in Pacifica. Good evening. We do have a lot to cover tonight. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Thomas.
I'm Laura Painter. We continue to follow these very active weather days, and they are making a mess for drivers. Take a look just into our newsroom. Caltrans says there are road closures tonight on I-80 between Applegate and the Nevada state line because of spinouts. This is a live look tonight at the massive backup those icy conditions are causing right now. Just a huge traffic headache for drivers in the Sierra tonight. We have team coverage for you. ABC 10's Luke Clary has been outside in the rain all evening, seeing conditions on the ground firsthand. But first, we go to meteorologist Carly Gomez with the latest on where this weather system stands right now.
Yeah, we're looking at that heavy rain starting to push through right as we speak. Coming in heavy right now across most of Northern California from Sacramento north. We're seeing some areas, as you see there, a little bit of that spinning that's happening. And it's just some radar indicated rotation happening. So potential for funnel cloud creations there, as well as some downpours happening. But you see areas from Stockton, mostly north, is where we're getting the biggest hit at this hour. And also Sierra snow continues to fall through the overnight, early morning hours expected. Now, weather impact alert days are going to continue through at least Monday, may even extend into Tuesday. And the impact is that heavy rain, those showers, but also that heavier Sierra snow expected over the next 3 to 4 days. The need is to watch the roadways, watch for ponding on the roadways as well as debris. Now, we've already gotten over about 1/4 inch of rain in Sacramento, and that's going to continue to get heavier into our overnight early morning hours. Already over 1 inch in Marysville, getting closer to 2 inches in Oroville. And check out Santa Rosa, almost 6.5 inches of rainfall already, with 3¼ inches in Ukiah. So you can really see the atmospheric river's impact for certain areas, especially from the coastline here all the way up toward areas near Red Bluff and Redding. Now, futurecast rain totals could get us as much as 2 to maybe 3 more inches of rain as we move into Saturday. We'll talk more about the storm system, how much longer it'll be with us, and how much snow we're expecting in the Sierra coming up.
Lots to track, Carly. Thank you. We continue our weather impact alert team coverage right now.
ABC 10's Luke Clary has been in the rain tonight and has more on how people are preparing for the storm.
The rain has been coming down across Northern California, and Sacramento County officials say they've been preparing for months ahead of this first big rainstorm of the season. Rainy days are here again. The first big storm of the season arrived in Northern California with a splash. Earlier, at sandbag stations across Sacramento County, officials encouraging people to get them early.
So that way, if we do have a series of storms and all of a sudden we start to see the floods like we did in 2023, that people aren't rushing here at the last second to grab sandbags and find out that there are none left.
And there were a lot of last-minute shoppers at Rio Linda Hardware.
They wait as long as they can, and then they go, oh, I got a leak, got to fix it.
The assistant manager here says almost all of their customers today were picking up caulk, roof patches, even tarps.
What are the tarps used for?
I've had customers actually put them over the roof of their house if they have a leak.
County officials warn that the rain brings hazards on the road, makes them slick, obscures how deep potholes may be. And here's another concern that county officials are warning about. You see all these leaves? They're blocking the storm drain, causing a bit of a puddle here. With a lot more rain, that can cause a much bigger issue.
If we get a lot of rain in a short amount of time, that may cause some problems in terms of our local systems being inundated with too much water all at once.
Homeowners should clear storm drains and gutters of leaves and debris, and drivers take it slow. Now, here's one thing county officials aren't so worried about when it comes to this storm: big trees falling over. This being the first major storm of the season, the ground isn't saturated yet. At least not as saturated as it will be later on in the year, when big trees like this one will become much more of a potential hazard. Reporting in Sacramento, Luke Clary, ABC 10.
Luke, thank you. You can stay up to date on the latest weather conditions with the free ABC 10 Plus app. You can find live radar, the latest storm news, and hourly forecasts for your location.